Watch this video and learn how to draw a really cool hot dog.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. Are you in a good mood?
Yeah.
Should we do a drawing?
No.
No? You don't want to make art?
No one will make art.
Are you kidding with me, Artie?
Just kidding.
Oh, Artie.
I joke.
Let's make art.
Yeah, art. Artie loves art.
Okay, you've had your little joke. Come on, let's start the drawing.
Good day, Artie and friends!
Hey kids, welcome to the show!
Are you ready, Artie?
Wait.
Okay, let's get your paper and your markers ready.
Okay.
It's time to draw.
Man, I'm excited to see what Artie's gonna do today.
We are all so excited!
Let's start drawing a line with a slight curve on the left-hand side of the page. Very good, Artie. Now let's do a second line next to that one with a similar curve. Now on the left side, let's curve all the way around the top. Very good. On the right side, let's leave a little gap and then join up to the top curve.
This is a great day.
I'm having a blast!
Now let's draw the knot on top of the hot dog.
It's not.
Yes, that's what they call the little bit that sticks out on the top and bottom of a hot dog. Now let's draw the bottom of the hot dog. On the left-hand side, draw a curve and come all the way across, but we're going to draw a point. So now, on the right side, continue the line to a little point. And from that point, draw a J-shaped hook.
Okay.
Now let's continue that hook up, but leave a little space again. And then carry on up and curve in at the top. That's going to be the bread bun on the right side of the hot dog. Now let's do the bun on the left side. A little curve, and then a line going all the way up towards the top and curve back in.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Now it's time to draw our hot dog's hand and arm. A little curvy shape, an elbow, and a straight line back. Do a little curve in that space that we left, and then continue the arm up. Now on the left side, let's draw a hand with 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then a little line back to the bun for the arm.
This is a great day.
I'm having a blast!
Now our hot dog is very cool, so he's going to be wearing shades. So let's draw some shades on the top where his eyes would be. A little stem on the left. That's it. And a little stem on the right. We don't want the sunglasses falling off his face. Now let's shade in the sunglasses nice and black. When you're shading in, leave a little jagged line that will look like a reflection in the sunglasses. We'll show you on this side. That's right, Artie. Leave a jagged line, and then another jagged line to the right. Shade everything else in black, and now it looks like the sunglasses are reflecting.
Art makes me so happy, Mikey.
Me too, Betty.
Now let's draw his mouth. A nice smiley shape. And let's do a tongue, because this hot dog is delicious. That's it, Artie. It's like he's licking his own lips. You want a joke break?
Yeah.
Okay, let's stop and have a joke break.
What do you call a dog that goes to the beach in the summer? A hot dog. What do you call cheese that's not yours? Nacho cheese.
I didn't get that one.
Why do we never tell jokes about pizza? They're too cheesy.
That was very funny, Mikey. That was a good joke break. Should we finish the drawing, Artie?
Okay.
Let's finish the hot dog drawing. Now we're going to give our hot dog some legs. Just 2 straight lines coming down from the bottom. 1, 2. And now let's do the right leg. 2 straight lines again. 1. And another 1. 2. Now because our hot dog is a cool guy, we're going to give him some cool shoes. Draw a big half circle for the toe. 2 curved lines back up to the bottom of the leg. Very good. Let's do some shoelaces. 1, 2, 3. Now we'll draw the bottom of the toe portion of the shoe. Let's do a sole. Big fat sole under the bottom of the shoe.
Man, this is creative.
Artie is so talented.
Now we're going to do the same for the right shoe, but we're going to do it at a slightly different angle so we can see a little bit more of the side of the shoe. The top of the shoe and some laces. Let's do the tongue of the shoe sticking up. That's perfect, Artie. We'll draw the heel portion, and then we'll come all the way round to the front of the toe portion. And finally, the sole underneath the shoe. Should we add some mustard, Artie? Yeah, hot dogs have mustard. Let's draw a wiggly line snaking down the tummy of our hot dog. And then another wiggly line next to that. Try and copy the same shape. And then connect the bottom and the top. Well, I think he might be finished, little artists. Are you finished, Artie? Oh, good. All we have to do now is colour in your cool hot dog. It's colouring time.
It's time to color in.
Artie. He came out so good. I love the brown colour you used for the hot dog and the blue shoes. And I especially love that yellow colour you used for the mustard. I can see you're happy with the way it turned out.
Have fun. See you next time. Marker out.
Well, thanks for watching, little artists. We hope you have an arty day. Bye-bye. Bye.